Welcome back to my channel. I am Effendi from Indonesia. How are you guys? Hopefully you are fine. And today I'm going to do unboxing because I buy some kinds of aglaonema. If you want to know what kind of aglaonema which I buy, you have to watch this video until the end. If I see the condition of the packing of this aglaonema is good enough, and hopefully the condition of the aglaonema is fine also. Actually, I ordered or bought this aglaonema on 18th of November, and it took some days to make this aglaonema come to my house, and today is 21st of November. Well guys, if you like to know what kind of aglaonema which I buy, please watch this video until the end and do not skip this video.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Well guys, as you see here, these are the aglaonema. And then usually if I buy aglaonemas online, the seller cover the aglaonema, with tissue. But for this one is different because the seller doesn't cover with tissue but with paper, and yeah, hopefully the condition of the aglaonema is good. And then this one is plastic bag. Usually if I buy aglaonema online, the seller give or put the aglaonema in a pot. I'm going to open it.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.
Here is the aglaonema guys. So this one is only plastic bag, and this one is not tissue but paper. Oh, with newspaper guys. So the seller covered the aglaonema with newspaper, but I think the condition is still fine. Let's prove it. Let's see guys. This one is cocoa pad. So the seller only give cocoa pad. Yeah, cocoa pad inside of the poly bag. And I'm going to open the newspaper from the aglaonema one by one. Well, this one is Legacy guys. So this is aglaonema Legacy. So beautiful as you see here, and the condition is still fine. And thanks God, this aglaonema has one baby. And I bought this aglaonema is 80,000 rupiah, so it's around $6 until $7. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. And I'm sad because there is one leaf which is yellowing, and this one is yellowing, the condition. And I'm going to take it out. Yellowing guys. I think for this one is big enough. And this aglaonema is Mahaseti, guys. The name of this aglaonema is Mahaseti, as you see. So beautiful. Look, I'm so happy. But oh no, there is one leaf which is yellowing also. Same with Legacy aglaonema. This is yellowing also. So I must take it out. So the name of this aglaonema is Mahaseti, guys. So beautiful. Yeah, this is Red Beauty, guys. The color is red. If you like red, I'm sure that you like this aglaonema. The name is Red Beauty. And then this aglaonema has one baby also. I buy this aglaonema 60,000 rupiah. So it's around 4 until $5. So this aglaonema has one baby, guys.
Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
What about this one? If you want to know, the name of this aglaonema is Red Stardust. Yeah, Red Stardust. Actually, there are some kinds or some types of Stardust aglaonema. There is the red one, the orange one, and also the white one. And I buy Red Stardust. The condition is fine, guys. The condition is fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 leaves. As you see here, the condition is fine. There are 6 leaves. Hopefully you like it. Red Stardust. And then the last one is Red Anjamani.
Alone, take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always
So many leaves are yellowing, guys. I'm so sad for this one. Actually, yeah, so many leaves are yellowing.
feel again. I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense. Don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way.
This is Red Anjamani. What do you think, guys? Beautiful or no? How many leaves are yellowing? There are 1 and 2. 2 leaves are yellowing. But yeah, I think this aglaonema is still fine. If you like to know the treatment which I will give to this aglaonema after I do unboxing, yeah, usually after I open from the packing, I'm going to give this aglaonema vitamin B1. I will take 1 liter water and then I'm going to mix 3 drops of vitamin B1, and then I'm going to soak the root of the aglaonema with the water around 2 hours until 3 hours. After that, I'm going to plant this aglaonema.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a